To change the transmission fluid on your Sportsman X2, Touring, and 6x6 570, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and set the parking brake. Then, properly lift and elevate the vehicle. Reference the owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Next, remove the rear right wheel to gain access to the drain plug. Then, place a drain pan underneath the drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Now, clean the area around the drain plug. Next, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the drain plug. Then, inspect the O-ring, looking for any nicks, scratches, or burrs, and replace if necessary. Next, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Then, if previously removed, reinstall the right rear wheel and torque to specification. Next, if needed, remove the left rear wheel to gain access to the fill plug. Now, remove the fill plug. And slowly fill the transmission through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom of the fill hole threads. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the fill plug and inspect the O-ring. Look for any nicks, scratches, or burrs, and replace if necessary. Now, reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Then, if previously removed, reinstall the rear left wheel and torque to specification. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.